This space is an ideal family den area. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new modern tropical 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here near Marcos Highway in Antipolo City. This property has fast access towards the Katipunan and Quezon City area. In addition, this property has a spacious lot area of 295 square meters with a total floor area of 432 square meters. Now let's begin this tour. So this property immediately has a maaliwalas na feel once you come in through the pedestrian gate because you have such a spacious front porch area that's already completely covered. Another nice touch is you have a landscape area here all the way to the side of the house, and you have a lot of privacy through the perimeter wall here at the front of the house. And right here you have a carport area for 2 vehicles. It's already completely covered. And I like the unique design for the flooring also. And you see the clearance from the perimeter wall towards the house. You have an additional storage room right here. And this house is very well planned down to the area where you hang the garden hose. So it also has these nice lights along the perimeter wall. And we're filming this right now in the late afternoon, and you can see how elegant the lighting is throughout the property as we go along. You can also walk all around the house on this side. And here you have your main entry. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You're immediately welcomed by a high ceiling space and an elegant living area. What stands out here is the ceiling height, the window stretching to the second level, and that unique ceiling fan with wooden blades that lends to the modern tropical feel of the property. And check this out, you also have such a clean and modern aesthetic for the entire living and dining space. So your living area can easily fit a large sofa set. You can have your television on this side, and I love the tiling that they used here. And on this side, you have your dining area. You have this oversized window on this side, giving you a view of the greenery at the side of the house. And you can easily fit either a round table or a rectangular table here for 6 to 8 people, maybe even more. It's up to you. And from your dining space, you have sturdy PVC windows here with a wooden grain design with screens already leading out to a spacious patio and garden area. This is such a spacious and relaxing amenity space. So the tiled portion is so spacious that you can have two tables here, two large tables. If you have gatherings and parties, it's also partially covered here and almost completely covered on this side. There's also provision here if you want to add your own personal touch after purchasing the home, like having a different kind of light fixture. And from this angle, you can see how spacious the grass area is. This is large enough to have a significantly sized pool in the future if you'd like. But if you have pets and you just want to have such a relaxing view from your living and dining space, this is ideal. And this is also a rare find, being so near Marcos Highway and with fast access towards Katipunan and Quezon City as well. Okay. And you have access here towards, once again, the side of the house. Head on in. Let's just pause to appreciate this view. It feels very homey. Look at the color temperature as the evening rolls in. You can just imagine this already with furniture and with your family gathered here. Such a calming and relaxing sight. Okay. And of course, here you have your modern kitchen. You have an island countertop here, already with storage, and such a cool and modern light fixture. Okay? It's not harsh on the eyes. This is excellent as a meal prep area and an informal dining space. A great area also for a late night snack or drink. And another nice aspect here is how modern the modular cabinetry is. It's also just push to open. So no need for handles. You also have Elba branded appliances with a range hood here. You have an Elba induction cooktop and an Elba branded oven as well. Even on this side, you have a Frank branded stainless steel sink. Okay. And an LG refrigerator. I love the contrast of the cabinetry with the design of the wall here, which extends from the living space. Now, this access door leads to an auxiliary kitchen space. And check this out. It's already covered and there's even insulation. So this can be a laundry space. You can have your washing machine or dryer on this side. This is the staff room. So the house just finished construction, so there's still a lot of materials inside. And this is the bathroom of your staff. Okay, I'll open it up just so you see the size. So there's just a lot of construction materials, but that can fit a bed. And then you have access here towards the front of the house, and then here towards the garden. So this access is also important if you have like groceries and you don't want to bring them through the main door. They can go right through here. Now we're back. Let me tell you, this house has a very good positive vibe. Right here you have the first bedroom. So this is a multi-purpose room. This can be a home office, a guest room, playroom. There's already open cabinetry here. And ventilation through this window. You have a view of the landscape area at the side of the house. And then you have your bathroom. So for the bathrooms, there is going to be a tempered glass enclosure up to here. And that's going to be installed in all the other bathrooms as well as mirrors. And right here, very conveniently, upon entry to the house, you have your powder room. So the powder room also has natural ventilation towards the parking area. And let me just quickly point this out. Upon entering the home, there's even a nice area here where you can have a mirror, a display table. Okay, so the wood used here is mahogany, and you have very easy to climb steps leading up to the second level. And here we have one of the most unique features of this home, such an open family area for the second level. Check this out. From the front to the back of the house, this open area extends. So this could have been a fifth room, but in terms of the ventilation, airflow, lighting, the designers chose to make sure to have this open additional amenity space. You could consider this a second living room. And from that angle, you can just stay there. You can see how open the entire area is. I just love this design. Imagine, like almost half of the second level is this open area. Okay? Now, let's go to the different rooms and then we'll cap off with the primary bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. Nice pop of color here. And then you already have a ceiling fan. Flooring is a wooden design, but these are tiles. Okay. And then nice cabinetry as well. Very well built and installed. And then you have an ensuite bathroom as well. I like how the lighting throughout the property isn't harsh. It's very easy on the eyes. At the same time, as a background, this property is built and owned by an architect. So they already have their own personal home, but when this was being built, they found it so nice that they even considered just moving into the property. And here is the third bedroom. Nice regular shape, almost a perfect square shape. So it's easy to arrange furniture. You can have like a semi-double or even a double bed here. Television set on this side. And maybe even if you're willing to extend here, maybe even a queen-sized bed. And then storage once again, desk area. And then an ensuite bathroom. So all 4 bedrooms in this property have their own bathroom. There's even a nice shadow line here to add depth to the ceiling. I love the atmosphere once you come out of the rooms. Doesn't feel constricted at all. It feels very open. And right here you have your primary bedroom. I love the size of this room. Room enough to have a king-sized bed and plenty of space left over for additional storage, a desk area, even a sofa space just to lounge. You could even have a sofa on this side, or you could have your bed right here, television on this side. Lots of ways to configure. And you also have a private balcony space. Wow, this is spacious. I like even the lighting of the balcony area with this wall light and even this light here for the facade. And the tempered glass barrier is quite high, which is great. This space is large enough to even have some potted plants right here, since it has access to sunlight. And if you want to have some electronics up here, you have an outlet. And in terms of the design, there's even indirect lighting right here. And right here you have your walk-in closet space. So you have plenty of storage here and you have your master bathroom. So this will have a mirror and a tempered glass enclosure right here. So those are just about to be installed since the property is just in the final stages of construction. Basically, the house is finished already. And another nice detail about this property is this is Buhos in terms of the cement that they used for the walls. So in terms of the concrete strength, it's 3,500 PSI, I was informed. Okay. So here, let's head on back out here. I also want to add an additional feature. This is designed to have like a potted plant. That's why drainage is even installed here. So that's a thoughtful aspect to the design. And that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.